Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Payoff Debt Faster with this addicting app. So this application will be available on the Google Play Store. So guys, make sure to download this app into your phone. And now, once you have downloaded it, you will just simply go ahead and open it up. Now, from here, guys, if you don't have an account, you will just simply create one. And now from here, as you can see, it is a very simple application. You will have depths over here. So now, in order for you to add a depth, you will just simply select the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. So at the top, just simply provide the depth name. So let's say I'm gonna go for a car. So guys, this is just an example just to show you. And you could provide a category. You will have a credit card, auto, bank, medical, and other stuff. So let's say I'm going to go for credit card. And now, for example, my remaining balance is still 3,000. And now the balance date here, you could just simply provide a balance date. And down below, you should be able to provide the initial balance over here. So let's say the car is around 5,000 and the interest rate will be 20%. And the next payment date will be on September 30. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to have an option over here as a monthly payment, and you will have here the payoff by. So if you have a certain amount of goal that you would like to pay it, as you can see, we should be able to see the breakdown over here right away. So now once you have filled up everything, you just simply select the check icon on the top right corner. And pretty much over here, as you can see, you should be able to see the preview and the progress on how your debt is going. So pretty much over here, this is a great app in order for you to see your things that you need to send money to and to make payments and to meet ends meet. And I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.